Can hearing aids stream music and phone calls like AirPods? I get this question all the time, especially from people who are shopping for hearing aids for the first time, or from family members who say things like, well, AirPods are cheaper, so why not just use those for them? Hi, I'm Dr. Nancy Duncan from Duncan Hearing Healthcare, and this is Nancy Knows Hearing, where we clear up hearing myths and talk about what real hearing technology means for you in real life. So today we're answering the big question. Can hearing aids stream music and calls like AirPods do? And the short answer is yes, but also no. So the difference matters a lot here. So I'm going to focus on these things for you. So let's break it down. Yes, many modern hearing aids can stream things like phone calls, music, podcasts, audiobooks, and GPS directions. And that can be done directly from your phone. But no, they're not the same as AirPods, and they're not designed for the same purposes, so therefore they're different. So if you're trying to decide between the two, you need to understand what each one is actually built to do and how it works. So let's start with hearing aids. Most modern prescription hearing devices will connect via Bluetooth. They can stream audio directly to your ears, and they'll work with most iPhones and most Androids. It depends on your make and model, which will allow you hands-free phone calls on many models, which makes life so much easier. So yes, you can answer a call, listen to music, and hear the other person clearly through your hearing aids. But here's the key difference. Hearing aids stream sound that is customized for your hearing loss. It's based on your prescription. So that means speech is prioritized, clarity is enhanced for you, which is a key improvement here, and volume is adjusted only where you need it, at the frequencies where you need it most. Music streaming exists, but that's not the primary job of a hearing aid. Whereas AirPods and other wireless earbuds, on the other hand, are designed for the following: entertainment. They're designed for music listening, calls, and they're designed for convenience. You can carry them in your pocket. They aren't medical devices, and some newer earbuds do offer some of the following features, and I'd like to touch on these. They do offer basic amplification for folks with mild hearing losses. They have transparency mode so you can hear different in different environments. They have hearing test features, but they don't diagnose hearing loss. They're not designed to do that. They don't adapt to changing environments that you may find yourself in, and they don't manage speech clarity the same way that hearing aids do. They're not set to your prescription. So while AirPods may feel similar on the surface, they're solving a very different problem for you. So let's compare them in real-life terms. First, sound quality versus speech clarity. AirPods are optimized for music, while hearing aids are optimized for speech understanding. And if you struggle to hear conversations, especially in noise, this difference is huge. It really matters. Next, all-day wear. Hearing aids are designed to be worn 12 to 16 hours a day comfortably, whereas AirPods are not comfortable or practical for all-day use. If you've ever tried to wear them all day, you understand what I'm saying. They're designed for environmental awareness, where hearing aids continually adjust for things like restaurants, cars, meetings, different background noise you might find yourself in. And AirPods don't adapt like that at all. They're not designed for this. Medical customization. Well, hearing aids are programmed by a hearing professional to your specific needs, while AirPods are a one-size-fits-most, and this is important to understand the difference, because if you have hearing loss, AirPods do not replace hearing aids. But I just want streaming, you might say. Well, I hear this a lot, and if I don't want hearing aids, I just want something that streams calls, is something I hear all of the time, and that's fair. So here's the honest truth. If your hearing is normal or just mildly reduced, AirPods may be just fine for you, and they might do the trick. But if you struggle to hear conversations, ask people to repeat themselves often, feel like you can't hear a thing in background noise, or you feel exhausted from listening after you've been in a difficult environment, hearing aids will give you more improved benefit here, even when you're streaming. So streaming is a bonus with hearing aids, but it's not the main event, whereas AirPods, that is the main event. So to answer that question, can hearing aids stream music and calls like AirPods? Yeah, many can, but they're not meant to replace AirPods. And AirPods are not meant to replace hearing aids. They kind of coexist and help each other out. The real question isn't, can they do the same thing? It's, well, which one is designed for my hearing needs and which one will be best for me? If you're unsure which option is right for you, talk to a hearing care professional who can walk through your lifestyle needs, what your hearing needs are, and not just the technology. If this video helped clear things up, please like it, please subscribe to Nancy Knows Hearing, and drop your questions in the comments, because if you're wondering it, someone else too, and I can help. So remember, Nancy knows hearing, and now you do too. Thanks for tuning in.